Hey, what's going on? Congrats on making it to this video. My name's Logan. I just want to say thanks for checking it out and hearing a little bit more about my story and actually taking a step forward and raising your hand and saying, I want to see how I can make a change in how I'm living life. It's funny, but if you think about it, most people in the world are just sort of suffering in silence, working a job they hate. They sort of go on and live life as if there's no other alternative. And I know exactly how that feels. But a small number of people in the world actually do make a change. They hit a point where enough is enough and they decide to do something about it. And they take life back. And those individuals go on to change everything for themselves, their families, and loved ones, and are the owners of exciting, happy, and fulfilled lives. And just a few short years ago, I did just this. I was sick and tired of working 10 plus hours daily, never seeing my newborn son and having a boss hovering over me 24/7 on call. And I decided it was time for me to take back control over my life. I've never been so challenged and pushed in my life, but it's been an incredible process, one that has changed me forever. And I want to share that with you right now. Here's what's next. Down below, you're going to watch a short video with my business partner, Jamar. He's going to share with you a little bit about the SaaSpreneur agency launchpad that we created. We've just launched this, and I think you're absolutely going to love it. He'll share with you a few of our own strategies that have helped us build not just one, but multiple online software companies that have brought significant income to our household and or business. Again, I think you're going to love what he's going to share with you, so go ahead and check that down below. Now, I don't know where you're at. If you're nearing retirement, you're bored or looking for a side hustle, or maybe you're sick of working 40, 50, 60 plus hours in the week in your career. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom, dad. Like me, I'm a stay-at-home dad who's got a little extra time on your hands. No matter where you're at, I want you to imagine what it would feel like to learn how to create from scratch an online software as a service business, to empower yourself to take your life back and to finally actually enjoy what you do. I'm not saying this is easy, because truthfully it's not. But if you're willing to put in the work, we'll hand you the blueprints, the launch pad, and the keys to success with your very own software. So if you'd like to see this short video with Jamar down below, click the button directly beneath this video and you'll be sent over to see him. Be sure to take immediate action on what you learn, and I can't wait to walk alongside you and help you set you free. The last bit of instruction I have for you is to watch out for our emails in your inbox. We want to share with you a little more about our story and how this has so drastically changed our lives and how it can change yours as well. So again, my name is Logan, the co-founder of SaaSpreneur Launchpad, and I look forward to meeting you soon. So click the button down below, watch Jamar's presentation, get access to the free course, join the Facebook group, and let's get this rocking and rolling. See you there.